Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to install Battle.net on how to install the Call of Duty Black Ops 7 on Battle.net. So if we go over here in the Steam, I already downloaded the game for the Call of Duty, and also I'm having the Black Ops 7 I can all play the beta as well. So if you wanted to install the Black Ops over here, if you wanted to install the Black Ops 7 on your Battle.net, how we can do it. So the first and foremost step is all about just make sure that you're logged into your Battle.net. Now from here you can see you'll be having two icons over here. You just need to do like this so that will swap in between. So right now this is for the users Call of Duty Black Ops 7. The open beta is live. So you can just click on the play now. So it asks you for the continue. So you need to install the Call of Duty. So just go for the continue. And right now, as you can see, just play for free. You have to click on play for free, and you have to set up your date of birth and everything. So you have to give a date of birth. So I have to give my details over here. Now I have to give my date. Then just go to submit. Then what you need to do is just go to first, before installing the Call of Duty Black Ops 7, make sure that you install the base game Call of Duty installation. And just you have to put a check on enable auto update and create a desktop shortcut and just go for continue. So it will be installed. Okay, so for me, I have already installed on the Steam, so that is why I'm not installing. But to the users who already have the Call of Duty, instead of this, you will be having option here at the top. Right now, like Diablo, Overwatch, Call of Duty Vanguard, you will be having an option here for Call of Duty. If you click on that, you will be able to install the the Black Ops 7 as well. The beta can be installed, and this is what you have to do. So in my case, I'm having the game on the Steam, so I have already installed the Call of Duty, which is the base game, as well as I'm having the access to the beta as well. So this is what you have to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.